see it is
Yeah, this chapter is ass.
you cannot get any more unique elements because they share.
Yeah, you know what? I'm just gonna
same
connect them and
exact,
cut on the rainbow.
Well, not the same exact, but they have a lot of the same things. But because that first one we want to go through 3.6, right? But that's already there on hold, so we can't get anything unique. So that's kind of how I see it. I'm not sure if that's accurate. No.
The problem is,
We just need to figure out how to turn the 5 volts off and on and off, and then have it only turn on when it receives signal from Pi. That will be how we test connection.
Yeah, because we need to retake this place.
Okay.
Yeah, somebody's getting called right now.
Oh, if you want to, I
We need to
understand.
turn off this 5 volts though, so we can test the signal. This is just to tell us the
Minimal
connection.
forms
There's something happening.
on.
Okay.
There it isn't.
What the heck? The yellow one.
Do you understand minimal?
This is connected.
I have mine. They're saying I stink. Yes.
I know these ones.
Are you saying I stink?
I know I do. I can drink the coffee.
Are you stink?
I'll wait until after I'm done with my coffee.
Doesn't make a difference.
Try swapping this, like,
Yeah. You got that right? Stamp that.
All for the wheel? Okay, for sure. Then we'll just hold it out here.
Alright guys, so this is the Diligent Spartan 3. So what's inside the box? Alright, so you got your cable. This is your cable right here to plug it in to your computer. Then you got your outlet, your power, and then you got your Spartan 3 board. This is kind of low-key dirty. So what I've learned from my past engineering job is if you just get a little bit of alcohol, which I'm about to do right now, and I'm about to place it where people touch their hands on a lot, and just spray a little bit. Get a brush and just kind of wipe it over, wipe the alcohol over where it's at. So a lot of people want to ask me what's a computer engineer. So if I was gonna say anything say anything about what's a computer engineer job is or what is a computer engineer is just go get this board. So go get this Spartan 3 board. It's compatible with an IC called Xilinx, and what you do is you hook it up and you kind of program it through the through the software, and it outputs it into the circuit board, and you get whatever you get, whatever depending on what you make. So right now I'm just brushing it off because this is a rented piece of equipment. But yeah, I don't know, I just like alcohol. A lot of dinner. So this is spray a lot of alcohol in here. And then we're gonna get into the board, or we're gonna get into the program, or the coding, all that stuff. And it's gonna be done in Linux. So you need a Linux thing or whatever. So okay, so spread a lot of alcohol in here. Alright. Recap, this is the box. Simple box from Cal State San Bernardino. And put it up there. Wish I could keep it. And then this is the outlet. Alright, so you get your outlet right here. There's a little power of, I think it's like 12 volts or something. How many volts? So it says 5 volts right there, right? So like kind of read carefully. So if your adapters, your power says 5 volts, which it does, it says output 5 volts, then you plug it in. Don't plug in any more than what it requires. So just plug it in and make sure it has the FCC sticker. Same thing with this here, it has a sticker, right? And then you see this right here, this is the main. I'm pretty sure it has a bunch of other cords to connect it to, but this is where it gets loaded in. So make sure, I made a mistake right here, so if you read on here, there's like little small prints of different load, like let's say for voltage, and then for tick and ground and all that. Make sure you pair it up with the board. So right here it says TMS, so TMS on top goes with the TMS on top of this you know, this iron stick right here. Just plug it in and bam. And then you plug this into your computer USB. So yeah. So this is how it's gonna look after you completely have it. I'm about to plug it in right now. As you guys can see, the power is on. Usually you want a surface that doesn't have static, or like doesn't have any electric that could short the board or ruin the board. So at this point, it's, you know, you probably want a wrist strap to ground yourself from electrocuting yourself, or messing up the board also, because you know your body actually generates electricity. So here we go. So we're just gonna pop this thing into the computer. So right now you guys see all the LEDs lit up. It's light up. Actually, this mat right here is pretty conductive. Pretty sure you can't have static on here. It's pretty hard because it's like plastic, and on top of that it's also with like fabric, so it's not gonna be a big deal. Anyways, so now I'm about to load it up. Finally got it to work, guys. You guys see the little bits right here. So if I click this, you see all the little dots come out. Let me turn off the light so it could be a little bit better so you guys can see what's going on. So if I flick this, flick those two, right, pick a button, look at that, all those numbers come out, right? Put those down, reset it. And then all those little values come up, and it's like a value of like numbers like 1 through 1,000 or something. It just shows you in codes. So I just put 1 up. Let's put this up. But yeah, it's pretty cool, and that's the IC right there. Well, I'm telling you guys right now, that was pretty hard to download and get it to work. So